Our previous video was all about Arco Pro, and then in the end install it with easy, back to Arch, git clone our own scripts and install arcoplasma. What if, another what if I built my own ArcoLinux today, AAG. I run the script. I've done it already. So create your own personal with the code from the internet. Create your own personal ArcoLinux ISO with the code from arclinux.org. Create your own personal eraser, right? We can at any point in time on ArcoLinux with the ArcoLinux application-glade click on a button. Result is I've got myself a ISO that is from today, the kernel from today, the configurations from today, and it's called ArcoLinux. It's basically the one from arclinux.org, but we built it ourselves. So the last Linux versions and all the rest are on there. What if, that's the what if, right? We started with Arco Pro. Easy, back to Arch scripts. What if we started with ArcoLinux? Install Git, install our scripts with git clone and run it. That's the what if. So I'm gonna make a template to clone this one. I'm gonna call this Arch, by the way. And then choose a disk file all the way down. ArcoLinux, open, start, and then we boot up. So first we need to do an Arch install. One of the 60 videos I've made about Arch install. And then we get our clone. Either we're gonna type sudo pacman -s and then a whole bunch of things that we need to type, or we git clone our scripts and type them in. First of all, figure out what keyboard you need to have to be typing comfortably. Secondly, wait for pacman init to stop. Systemctl status. This guy is busy. We don't know it, but it's busy. This is okay. This means I'm done. I'm ready. Cool. Control C. Clear. Can I make the font a little bit bigger? What was it again? Set font minus P18N. Yeah, a bit bigger. And 22, does it exist as well? Okay, cool. So here we are. First thing I do, I'm living in a not in a bad place. By that I mean my internet service provider is fast and I can benefit from that particular thing. That means I can go to etcpacman.conf and I can use the power that pacman gives us, parallel downloads. Otherwise it's one download at a time. I use 20 parallel downloads. My installation is super fast, but then I have a super fast contract with my ISP. Arch install. Mirror region. I have to take, I'm living in Belgium, I have to take Sweden, right? So Sweden, there you are. Back. Locales, keyboard, nope, BE Latin, that's the one. Back. This configuration, that's good for me, always X4. No encryption, system deboot. Don't use grub unless they fixed it. In VirtualBox, always use system deboot. Grub on real metal, it's no problem. All the rest can stay. No for swap on VirtualBox. Root. Add the user. Yes, please. Confirm, exit. I've done this thousands of times. Type we're gonna get the with the thing. Now I have no clue what's behind it, because I always do this desktop and then go actually arrow up and I install xfce. Okay, so escape. One of these, that one, or that one, I have no clue what it does. All I want is a minimal ArcoLinux and then git clone my stuff and get everything in. So I'm gonna try minimal. Okay, fine, minimal it is. I think so. And then we're gonna go back and back. Yes, it says minimal. Now audio drivers, pipewire, fine, additional packages, new fetch maybe, network configuration. Important, right? Make sure you got internet afterwards. And then Brussels, that one. And that's it. I'm ready to test this what if. What if I start with ArcoLinux? What if I don't install a desktop but just get the internet going? And then, rather than typing everything, sudo pacman -s mate extra, plasma, whatever desktop I'd like, cinnamon, etc., etc. Let's git clone it. And we've made a video, previous video. Well, let's see. It's on my second screen. This is video, okay, refresh videos. 4046. In video 4046, we use Arco Pro, easy, back to Arch, create our own arcoplasma and test it. So now we're gonna go for similar approach. Let's use Arch, get something minimal. I hope I've got internet, right? Network manager. And then I do sudo pacman -syyuu, get git in, git clone my scripts, run my scripts, and then it's still a lot of work, right? But that's the fun. So reboot it is. We've got ourselves a system deboot. And we should get nothing, right? In the sense of there's no SEDM, there's no LightDM, there's nothing really. And we can ping to google.be, for example. Yes, we've got internet, right? That's important. Sudo pacman -syyuu. Do we have the servers? The servers are responding. Do we have git? Git is not found. Sudo pacman -s git. Yep, the font. Can we do the set font here again? I don't know if that's working here. Let's see. No. So voila. Just making it clear for you. This is what I typed. Sudo pacman -s git. That's it. So if we have that, we can say git clone whatever, wherever it is, right? Your well, collection of scripts. In my case, I go to github.com, arcolinux d, and then arcoplasma. We've made that in the video 46. Okay, ls, we got a folder. We go in there, and all I need to do is run one thing, 100. That's all I did in the other video. That's all I'm gonna do now. And there are two options. There is a bare option, which we have created in the video, and there is the new one. This is the new one. This is the collection of the Calamares packages. So that's the one we're going to use. It says target not found, obviously because there are references to ArcoLinux, and we're not. ArcoLinux does not have a clue what ArcoLinux is. If there are repositories, if there are packages, it has no idea, right? So let's see what we get already with the word plasma. The word plasma, Arch knows it and he's busy installing it. Breeze, he knows what breeze is. So let's already see what we get. Discovery is there. And later on, you can add repos. repos for Garuda, repos for EndeavourOS, repos from ArcoLinux, repos from CacheOS. I mean, a repo is just a place where packages are, like the App Store or the Google Store or how they call it, right? That's all it is, and then you say, go grab it. The torrent is there, so torrent is installed, Ocular is installed. Choices that we've made, this constitutes as a minimal working plasma. And we've made those choices. You can make your own, build your own script. And over time you're going to change it. Okay. Failed retrieving, that's okay. Just a file for font. So whatever it finds is going to install. Let's show you that again. Those are the two lines, that's all. All the apps need to come from these two. Lib is not there, so that's it. All right, let's see. Sudo reboot, it does not know SR, so sudo reboot or just reboot these days. It's hard to, right? Habits. So this is your normal look. Arch. I'm gonna go for X11. Logging in. Getting my screen in order. And then we go for display, size up here. Apply, then wait for the pop-up. Keep. Okay, I kept it. So this is what we get. This is the default Arch stuff. Let's go for development. No, it's not the default Arch stuff, right? It's our script that ran, and if it's on ArcoLinux, it gets installed. Okay, so Ocular is normally not there. Okay, torrent as well. This is there because of dependencies. And that's it. We got ourselves Plasma. Do we have ourselves a Discover? That's working. Or it's working. Okay. So this works. You'll see that the sound will work and all that. So basically you have a functional desktop. Now, I think I should stop the video here. And the next video should be, let's make this an ArcoLinux again, right? Because I've just made a change. There's no internet. Let's do a quick sudo pacman -s Firefox, or whatever browser you like, right? It's just Lego pieces, Lego blocks, decisions to make. And then we have to wait, I guess. Where are you, Firefox? It's installed, so it will be there later on. And then we have Firefox. What I wanted to show you is that we needed to change something. I hope the cache is not there. We went from 46 ways to install Arch to 16. What I'm showing you in this video is this, right? It's this one, Arch install. One ISO based on the ArcoLinux ISO. Okay, we've built it ourselves with AAG. Then use Arch install. There's no column Rs involved. And voila, we've got ourselves Plasma based on Arch. So now we have 16 ways of installing. So if you have trouble with any of these guys, switch around. See what happens to the others. Different approaches, different ways, and who knows, right? It's all about knowledge, getting more knowledge in. Let's see, is Firefox there now? Still not there. Strange, right? Log out. I want to see, when will it pop up? We definitely need a new theme, so SEM theme is not nice at all. There's the icon. So it's a bit slow, it's a bit sluggish, but it's there, right? Reboot, log out, log in, reboot. That's it for this video. Next video is, let's make this thing in ArcoLinux again. Right? It doesn't matter if you start with ArcoNet, Arco Pro, arcoplasma, does not matter at all. You can break down, build up, or in this case, was already broken down, and then build up. It's just choosing packages. See you next video.